Here we have a 65 plate BMW 420d xDrive M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M double spoke 19-inch alloy wheels. All of them are in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, the gloss black front kidney grills, gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. Right to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition and in gloss black. We have the side skirt extensions all on the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the Grand Coupe logo just on the rear windows just there. There's a look at the third alloy wheel. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust, as you can see down there. We have a power assisted tailgate, so if you press the button just here on the remote, then the boot will open like so. Now inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have a 12-volt connectivity on the left hand side. We also have a button just up here. If you press that, then it will close back just like so. Walking back round to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the final alloy wheel, and then taking a look at the interior. So inside of the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the fixed ISO points back here, along with the vents for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors. We have the same full leather interior for the front. Both the front seats are heated and electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory functions. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights and automatic wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you find we have the speed limiter and also the cruise control just there. We have the dashboard in front of us. We also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. We put our foot on the clutch, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. So we have the climate control just down here, the dual zone climate control. We have the heated seat buttons as well on either side. As called air conditioning, all working just as they should do, as you can see. So on the main screen, if we put the car into reverse, then you'll find that we have the parking sensors, which will appear just there, front and rear. If this screen is flickering, then that's just the camera. It's not actually flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have a range of media, such as the Bluetooth audio. We have the auxiliary as well. We have the DAB radio just there, the phone connectivity as well. We also have the different drive modes. So we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus. Further down from there we have the vents. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, the drive mode buttons just down here, parking sensors. We also have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, cup holders just inside of there with a 12-volt connectivity as well. Manual handbrake. We have a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.